Gavana ma Kakamega Fernandes Barasa dwaro mondo migao mar somo okas chenro mar yudo duoko makare kotenore gi ng'ur mar jopuonjre ewi chenro manyien mar siro somb jopuonjre mbalariany kod kuonde tiegruok ma pacho ka. Nowuoyo mbalariany ma Masinde Muliro e chenro mar rwako jopuonjre mawelo kama nowacho ni chenro manyien no osekelo ng'ikruok e somb jopuonjre ma pacho ka kendo miyo moko kuomgi rem donjo e kuonde tiegruok.
I know we've had a challenge. We've had some students who are from vulnerable families that have been placed in, I can say, unfavorable bands. So as the leadership of this county, I want to urge the Ministry of Education to expedite the appeals from the students who have been disadvantaged by the funding model so that they can also have an opportunity of getting support. But overall, I appreciate the fact that no student will be sent away because of school fees. That is something that is overriding cornerstone of the funding model to support our students. As a county, we are also having some programs, scholarship programs. I know there are some students who have benefited from the county scholarship program.